In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix Fortnite blue screen on Xbox. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna present multiple methods that you can follow to fix this issue on any Xbox console. The first one that I want to present is for you to check for any possible updates. If you try running an outdated version of Fortnite when you try to connect to the servers, you will not be allowed in because, as you might expect, every player needs to be on the same version. So, all that you would have to do in this case is to go back to the list of games that you have installed, tap on the options for Fortnite on your Xbox, and check for updates manually. Most of the time, updates should go through automatically, but if they get stuck or they don't go through, checking for them manually can solve issues attributed to running outdated versions of games. So by updating Fortnite and ensuring that you have the latest version available, you will be allowed into the servers without any issues. Now, if you have tried to update the game and it didn't go through, make sure that you have enough storage space. Besides the option to try checking for updates inside of Fortnite, another thing that you can do is to force close the application. So inside of the options, you should find the option to force close down that app or quit, as you can see on this screenshot. By force closing the application and restarting the game, it is going to be open fresh, clearing all the cache, meaning that it doesn't have as much strain on it. So if you have been running Fortnite for a long time, maybe you close down constantly and you are using quick resume, you might encounter issues attributed to running it again, including a blue screen. So make sure that you always force close the app whenever you are not using it to let it release some steam and free up memory. With this out of the way, the last thing that I want to highlight is that the Fortnite servers could be down. Usually, there is going to be a warning on screen if you try to log in during maintenance period, but sometimes that could glitch out and you only see the blue screen. If that is the case, what I recommend is that you go over to the Epic Games server status website where you can check the servers for yourself. They are going to list about all the servers, including the servers for Fortnite, and whether or not they are operational. If the servers are down, maybe because of maintenance or because of an outage, you simply have to wait until Epic Games fixes the issue on their end. I hope I was able to help you on how to fix Fortnite blue screen on Xbox. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.